Are we ready? Are we prepared? Am I prepared? How do I prepare myself? So point number 1 is seeking. Seeking aligns our heart. Matthew 6:33. But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. So, seek first. Bakit aligns our heart? So, yung Matthew 6:33, pinoposisyon niya tayo kung paano tayo mag-aalign kay Lord. It ensures that our heart is right, our focus is right. And number 2, soaking builds our capacity. Isaiah 40:31 says there, those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. Soaking is not rushing, it is not striving, but it is remaining in His presence. Pero ang tanong is, saan ka nakababad? Seeking prepares the heart, soaking builds the capacity. Very simple ng words, pero large impact, and it requires more in us. As we prepare ourselves, ito yung pinagpe-preparean natin. Stepping releases the mission. Hindi lang seeking yung soaking, hindi lang siya doon natatapos, pero it requires us to step, to move. Yan. Seek, soak, and step. And multiplication requires movement.